it just started raining. This front came through. So, could be bad, could be good, but haven't seen nothing yet. Besides a couple squirrels. So, I still think that, he's gonna shoot a buck tonight. I just don't think that he realizes it yet. But I think it's gonna happen. Just starting to sprinkle a little bit, so should be, hopefully this will pass over and then they'll get up on their feet and try to dry off a little bit.
About 2 minutes before last light, a buck snuck in to about 30 yards, and Eastyn slowly pulled the trigger on his first buck, made a perfect double lung shot. The buck ran off into the thicket and crashed. Because of the heavy rains, we got down right away, took up the blood trail, and Eastyn had his first buck.
So we first got in the stand. We sat for about like an hour and a half. We still didn't see nothing. Then we sat for like another 30 minutes. Then like 15 minutes later, we saw this little buck came in, and it was almost dark. And I shot at it. It went about 40 yards. It was a double lung shot.
Basically a perfect shot.
Basically a perfect shot.